Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change audio balance for your headphones JBL TUNE 770. Firstly, I will show you how to change it on Android device, and then I will move to iOS. But some Android phones have system that visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check the part with the iPhone to find a similar path to these settings. Now, on your Android device, open settings, and then we need to go to accessibility. I have stock Android, and on stock Android accessibility located at the bottom in the settings. So we need to scroll down, enter into accessibility, then scroll down again, and at the bottom you will find audio adjustment. Tap at this line, and right here we have audio balance. If you have the problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right, but you need to find a good balance, so you need to move this dot and test it what will be the best one for you. We just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left. If you use 100% on your right earbud, you will totally mute sound on your left ear cup. If you have the problem with the left ear cup, you just move this dot to the left. Again, you need to find a good balance, and again we increase the volume for the left ear cup, but lower it for the right. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. On your iPhone, open settings. Then we need to go to accessibility, what located under the general settings. So click at the accessibility, then scroll down, and in the hearing we have audio and visual line. Tap at this line, then scroll down, and right here we have audio balance. If you have the problem with the left ear cup, you need to move this dot to the left, but you need to find a good balance, so you need to move it and test it what will be the best one for you. We just increase the volume for the left ear cup, but lower it for the right ear cup. If you use 100% on your left, you will totally mute sound on your right ear cup. If you have the problem with the right ear cup, the same process, you just move this dot to the right. Again, you need to find a good balance, and we increase the volume for the right ear cup, but lower it for the left. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!